Welcome! In this tutorial, we will introduce the method collection and show you how to access, download, and import HPTLC methods into your visionCATS system. The method collection includes more than 300 individual HPTLC methods for the identification of herbal drugs, preparations, substance classes, and complex mixtures. All methods follow the association's HPTLC standard operating procedure and are referenced or adapted in major pharmacopoeias worldwide. To access the method library, open the menu and select Method Library under the Tools section. The CAMAG method library will open in your local internet browser. Within the library, you can choose between 4 categories: herbals, substance classes, complex mixtures, and comprehensive HPTLC fingerprints. These fingerprints represent reference examples from member laboratories, although minor variations between samples may occur. The continuously updated collection can be sorted by plant name, plant part, or publication date, allowing you to quickly locate relevant methods. Select a category of interest to display the available method packages. You can also use the search function to find a specific method more efficiently. Once you have identified the desired method package, select it to start the download. The downloaded folder contains several components: a comparison file, method files compatible with ATS4 and Linomat 5, and a Microsoft Word document with detailed method information. The method files use, by default, standard conditions specified in USP General Chapter 203 and European Pharmacopoeia General Chapter 2.8.25. To import the downloaded files into visionCATS, open the File menu and select Import Items. Then choose the target folder to begin the import process. During the import, a message window will appear, informing you about any new mobile phases or reagents. These will be automatically added to the system configuration. After completion, the imported folder will appear in the visionCATS Explorer and can be opened directly within the application. Before routine use, each method should undergo transfer validation to ensure it meets system suitability criteria and delivers reliable results. The method collection is a trusted and continuously evolving resource, supporting standardized and efficient HPTLC analysis within visionCATS. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.